Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm John Bandler. I talk about law, cyber, and many things related to that. Everybody should know something about law and what it is supposed to be. Law is not just for lawyers. Our government is supposed to be a nation of laws. Citizens are supposed to fulfill their duties of citizenship, including a duty to vote diligently. Everyone should know something about cybersecurity and how to protect themselves and their family. Organizations need to have a reasonable cybersecurity program. I can help with all of this. I've built resources for my teaching I can provide for you. I've taught since 2017 at the college, graduate, and law school levels. It's time to put my materials out to a broader audience, help my students, help others. Bear with me a minute as I show and talk through some topics I cover. Cover law, cover cyber, meaning digital and technology, and learning encompasses this all, since your learning is what this is all about. To understand law, we need to start with basic law or introductory law, and everyone needs to know something about law. It is not just for lawyers. I hope to finish my book on Introduction to Law soon. Where law and cyber meet, that's cyber law, and I wrote a book on that. And it includes traditional law, data law, cybercrime, and more. My book includes an introduction to law. And to understand U.S. law, you need to understand about government. To understand government, you need to understand governance or management, which ties into cybersecurity and information governance. We'll get there in a second. You need to know a little about crime and criminal justice. We cover cybercrime and cybersecurity, and close relation to cybersecurity is information security, and I'm working on my next book on cybersecurity. I have a 2017 book on it. It's good to know something about policies in order to manage an organization or government well, and I wrote a book on policies and procedures. And you need policies to create and run a cybersecurity program, and I built some modules out on that. Cybercrime needs to be investigated. I wrote a book about that, and privacy is a part of cyber law too. I know that's a lot of things, but the basics I cover are law and cyber and where they intersect. My videos are not going to be entertainment or edutainment. I have limited video editing skills. I don't use AI creation tools. I'm just using my brain and PowerPoint. I'm trying to share some information and knowledge, and it's a PowerPoint and lecture just like this. And that's what I can do with my current abilities and time. So a little bit about me. I'm a lawyer, consultant, speaker, author, teacher, and I have experience in these areas: law, cyber, criminal justice, government, and more. You choose your method of learning and level. If it's video, I've got the YouTube videos. Each is backed by additional references and resources. I've built full courses, which are now on Udemy, and I've got written materials, including articles on my website, and I've written 4 books, and I'm working on 5 and 6. I try to provide solid information, no bells and whistles. Traditional teaching that I do reaches just a few students at a time. The world's a big place. Who can I reach on YouTube? I'm going to see. And that's because everyone needs to know something about law and cybersecurity. So please subscribe and let me know what you would like to see. Links in the description and the next slide. And again, thanks for watching and listening, and thanks for subscribing.